Hello YouTube, this is a tutorial on how to make a source dedicated server for Steam or Half-Life 2 or CounterStrike, something like that. First you need to open up Mozilla Firefox or whatever your browser is and type in, we'll have Google open and type in source dedicated server. And you go to the second one, it will have a question mark at the beginning, and you go to it. And it'll have a tutorial on how to make one, but I say it's really difficult to understand. So first all you need to do is just download this, what it wants you to do, and just hang on a second. Okay, well, I found out that the link for this is banned or something, so what I need you to do is go into Google and type in hldsupdatetool.x, and you need to download it from the first one right here. And after you download that, you need to open it up, and actually don't open it up at all, just save it into some file such as like this. And then you need to open up start, run, cmd, which is the command prompt. I need you to type. Okay, so once you get your command prompt open, you need to type cd space backslash srcds. I'll also put this in the info next to the video. You can press enter and it'll open up this little thing right there. You type hldsupdatetool, and all that will happen. And then you need to type. It takes a while, so I'll just add it to the info next to this. But you can't control and paste, and so it's really difficult. So you type hlsd update tool command update game CounterStrike source there, wherever that means, and C colon backslash srcds. You can't really see it from your video, but I'll put it in the link next to this. And then you just press enter and you just let it load. I'm not gonna let it load right now because I already did that, and it takes a few hours or two. And after that, you just go, and then you create a, once you get in to your files, go to I'll show you my documents colon guess slash cstrike slash cfg. That should already open. Don't expect to have most of this in here because I added an admin plugin to my server, so don't expect all this to be in there. And you need to add just this random folder just named server.cfg. You can do this, just make a new folder and just type server.cfg. It's quite simple. And after that's all done, then you go back to your folder and you go back to the first folder you're in, and double click this right there, the srcds, and it's gonna say start dedicated server. You pick your game, but for this it only happens to be CounterStrike source because that's the only one I have. And then you choose your map only from the games that you have. I'll teach you how to add a map add maps to your server in a second. You choose your players, your UD port, and your Archon password. And that's for like if you add a admin, then they can do all that. You choose your server name, and then you can choose if it's secure or not. And then you go to start server. But for now, I'm gonna teach you how to add maps to yours since it just doesn't go straight to it, to your server folder. You need to go and in that folder, go CStrike and go to maps, and it's gonna start out with only the maps that it gives you in the beginning of the game when you first install CounterStrike. And then you need to open up a new My Document and type program files /steam /steam apps / your username, and go to CounterStrike source, CStrike, maps. And basically what you want to do, if you want all of them, click on the last one and hold shift, and it'll go to the top, and click the top one. Just don't get copies down catch. And then press Control C and exit out if you want, and just press Control V, click on here, like click in the white, and just press Control V. I already have all my maps copied into here, so yeah. And if you ever download a new map, then you need to put it into here if you want to have it on your server. Well, that concludes my tutorial for making a CounterStrike server, and I'll probably make a new tutorial on how to add Mani admin plugin and also an RPG, because I also have an RPG on mine. Bye.